Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna make this mango pineapple aqua fresca. Nice little summer drink. It's pretty hot outside. Wanted to make something fresh and fun, so let's get started. We're gonna get to cutting everything. We're gonna start with the lemon first. Let's start with our lemon first. We'll cut that in half. We're gonna use that because we're gonna use half of what's in there. All right, so now we're gonna cut up some mango. It's kind of like really ripe. I don't feel like waiting for the mango to do its thing. Cut against the grain. Yeah. Mango's mango. Boom. And then, so we're just gonna top up some of the mango. Call it a day. Now that the mango is done, I have my mango pieces in here, so that's fine. All right, next up is the pineapple. Now, one thing about a pineapple, I'm gonna remove the head, really simple. Then we're just gonna chop that bitch down. Let's see, you're just gonna chop that bitch down. We're gonna chop that bitch down. Okay. Yeah, I think I picked a bag pineapple. I'm not gonna lie to you, but looks like it's ripe, but it's ready to. It's actually ready to go. To be honest, pineapple is ready to go. Just like, if I would have left this out like another day, it probably would have been fucked. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, any more time, this pineapple would have definitely gone bad. All right, so let's grab some of that. Okay. You wanna cut the ends off of that. Now we have our pineapple and mango in here. I recommend you getting a very ripe mango, something ready to go. Just like how this pineapple was, it was ready to go. Any other day, this thing would probably go bad. So last but not least, well, there's actually a couple more other things. We're gonna take our lemon. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice in here. Got my handy dandy lemon juice squeezer. And we're just gonna put that in there. Hopefully no seeds get in. That would be annoying. I'm telling you, this drink looks, every time I see someone make it, I'm like, man, this thing looks phenomenal. We can get every little bit of that lemon out of that, yeah. And we're gonna save one because we want to use it as a garnish. So sweet condensed milk. This is gonna be to make it creamy. I fucked up my shirt. I think we'll just use half. I don't know if I want to use the whole thing. Might be too much. So let's get that in there. Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you, the smell is amazing. We're gonna just put some water in there. Just kind of just loosen that bad boy up. And that's it. Super sweet, simple, done. All right, and now I'm gonna just plop it over here onto the blender. All right, so let's get this motherfucker blended. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and. All right, here's our drink. let's get it. Ooh. Oh yeah, that looks phenomenal. Ooh, that looks amazing. There, your pineapple mango lemonade refresher is here. It looks phenomenal. This looks delicious. We gotta give it a little taste test. That's good. That's exceptional. Wow, that's really good. Pop these bad boys in there. There's like a nice consistency. It's a nice creamy consistency. Yeah, I like that. But yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the recipe, let me know. See if I can find some more to make. It's really simple and easy. Maybe like $10 altogether. And still got some more left. And yet again, I didn't even use like a lot of pineapple, and I used 2 mangoes. One, really not even that much of a pineapple. 1 can of condensed milk and some water in there. I keep coming back to it. It's really good. But yeah, highly recommend y'all make that. Make sure to like, follow, hit me a sub, check out all the vids. I'm out.